Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, a JavaScript error in the main process on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, the first solution is to perform a malware scan on your computer. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan, click on Next, and then let it go through. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. And how would you do that? So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable package on your browser and then go to the page. Scroll down and then click on the x64 version if you have a 64-bit computer and x86 version if you have a 32-bit computer. Mostly these days we have a 64-bit computer. So click on repair and let it repair. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.